we are going to be hitting some wheelies and doing some awesome drifts.
Okay.
And make sure after this video to hit the like button. Let's roll.
Okay. First, we hit a spot to put this thing. Oh yeah, gotta get the helmets.
So, guys, you can hit the bad comment if you want, because if one of us face plants,
Which probably,
you can laugh if I do, but Fisher does it. He's a savage.
I'm fine because I got this $20 helmet. Let's go.
Come on, man. Let's ride. Hello.
Watch Connor hit it. Look at him. Time to get as much air as possible. I'm maxing up.
Was that cool or what, guys?
Kind of, but that was the corniest thing you've ever said. Okay, we are going to be doing this a little bit more, and then we're going to try something else, maybe some trick shots on the basketball goal. Okay? And comment down below who gets the best trick. Fisher, Connor. Who's got the best dirt bike? The camo or the red, black, and gray, and yellow? A bunch of colors.
I got the MX6 50, and Fisher's got the
Razor MX 500.
mine's a little bigger, but I don't know.
His is bigger, but we still have the same.
Yeah, we have the same speed. Mine goes
17. Remember,
25.
No, on the box it says 17. You does not go 25.
No, mine goes 20. At least 20.
I've seen people, they say mine goes 25, but I don't know if that's true. But what's this?
Hey, even if he has a faster dirt bike, hey, still dirt bikes. I mean, so we might do some trick shots. I don't know, but we might be making another video in a couple minutes after this
video. We're gonna be probably trampolining and doing some more of this.
Yeah, and then we might do a cops and robbers one when he has to lock me in a dog cage.
Oh yeah.
Hey, but Tucker's not in this one, or Aiden, but that sucks. They couldn't come today, so it's just me and Fisher today. But comment below if you want us to make any other videos.
How about you go pick up the camera and get close up videos of me, and I'll get close up videos of you. Follow me around.
Okay. Let's watch Fisher. Look at him. Oh, snap. You can see that Willie. You can see that Willie. That is pretty sweet. Oh, watch him drift. Watch him drift.
That was alright.
Wow, look at that. Look at all them tracks. And then there's just the man that's walking. Wait, no, let's look at Fisher. That was alright. Oh, here he goes. Here he goes. Watch this boy.
Hey, that was fun.
Okay.
Okay, Connor's turn.
Alright. Hey, Fish, can I ride your dirt bike?
You want to ride mine?
Yeah, I'll try yours.
Yours dead.
No.
No, I'm going to ride mine.
Okay.
Yeah, guys. And
Yeah. He is rolling. You gotta hit this. Right where that basketball is. See? Told you. So much fun today. Okay, Connor, let's do some trick shots.
Fisher, you just see that drift out.
I saw that drift out, so did they. Cause I'm the best cameraman who ever lived. It felt scary when I drift, cause like it feels funny. I know. Hold up, guys. Look, when I drift, like it felt weird, cause my dirt.
It's all in your camera.
I know, but it felt so weird when I was riding a drift, cause I turned sideways, and you go like you do this. Yeah, and
Your back wheel just goes.
And your whole entire dirt bike just bends to the side, and it feels like you're gonna fall. But then when you hit the brake, it just turns straight up, and it feels kind of weird.
Okay, let's do some trick shots.
Trick shots. Hey, Fisher. Fisher, let's use Tucker's ball. Yeah, Tucker left his basketball here last night. Let's go get that one. Oh, we're playing some football. Oh, and we're going on the trampoline to play some football. Oh, Fisher, gotta get his room. Look at this sweet ball. Look at this sweet ball. Yeah! Hold up! Drainer.
Look at my dab. Dab.
Look at them dabby. Dab. Skills, baby. I love it. It does. Did you get that on camera? Yeah. Oh, net, baby. What you gonna call this one? The miss? Yup. Take it, Connor.
One more shot.
We're just warming up right here. He missed again. Ooh.
Sorry.
He's got eternal peace in his pants. Well, not really peace, but death. Look at my dad. We got 2 phones.
And I got another. I got 4 phones.
1 for my club, 1 for my load. 2 more phones. 1 for my mom and Pokemon Yo. Oh. Alright, Fisher. Tape camera.
Huh?
Tape camera.
Nah. Right here, last shot. For now.
Bro. Take the camera. Or do you want to do football?
I'll do basketball. nickname's Cassie, by the way. So close, it's so far! Help! Connor, stop trying so hard!
I'm in drag right now.
Oh, sure, that's what they all say.
Alright. Time for me to make some football skills.
No, my turn. Connor, never do that. I'm glad I didn't get that on camera. Fail! I'll take the camera. Yeah, same neighborhood.
This doesn't count, but I'm gonna try to dunk. I dunked Tucker's ball earlier. As
When?
you know, we're so young that we can barely dunk on 6.5.
Oh, bro!
Watch this, bro. Watch this.
All right, after this, we're about to start the video. All right,
I'm
Here's
gonna
your-
do two-handed. Wow!
let me try.
Hold up. Let me hit this defense.
From the
AC.
From the AC. I'm from my mom and Pokemon Go. Oh, Fisher, take the camera. I'll go get it. Ooh, there goes Fisher. Comment down below if you hate when he's like, "Dude, this is Fisher." You gotta miss that. Bro, it went into the garage.
Alright, let's watch this.
Miss?
Did I make it?
Yep.
Oh. Let's try a two-hander now. I suck at two-handed dunks.
So do I. Even though I did two-hand dunk Tucker's basketball.
I tried to put my hand up and grab it.
I'm gonna try it too.
Hold up. Let me hit a one-handed.
It's because I'm taller than you, that's why I can hit the rim. Hey Fisher, let's go on the trampoline and do this.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, let's play Smartically on trampoline.
Watch this. Last trick shot.
Last shot. The fish bomb! Presenting the fish bomb! Oh! Alright, now Fisher will take my camera.
No, I won't.
Yes, you will! Here comes Fisher, get the camera. Okay, here we go. Hey, and check out some other videos we made on Get Hype TV.
I love that name, Fisher.
That's what we'll be locking him in.
Oh, yeah.
How about we play our cops and robbers game?
Let's roll.
Okay, I'm robber. Nose goes.
Dang it.
Darn it!
That's why I am the kicker for
Bob
the football
has the
team.
run. No, the robber has the run because he gets tackled and everything.
Oh, yeah.
Let me go get my club zone. No. I'll try.
Hey, you see this? I'm
Look,
rich.
come here.
Guys,
Come here.
y'all see this?
Come here.
Look at all this money
Come
I
here.
make. Shut up. This money I make. I'm
Your
rich.
turn. Socks.
Yeah, Tucker socks.
Tucker leaves.
Hey guys, y'all see this? I'm
Stop
rich.
saying, hey guys.
I got a nickel.
You know what I care about that nickel? Nothing.
My nickel.
Hey.
Don't worry. I'll find you.